Hello everyone. Today we will start a new exercise, that is exercise 14.3, and in previous part we have discussed exercise 14.2. Now in this part we will discuss division of algebraic expression. Now question number 1. Carry out the following divisions. First question, 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. So directly we can write the factor of 28x to the power 4. So we know that the factor of 28 will be 2 into 2 into 7. So now at the place of 28x to the power 4 we can write 2 into 2 into 7 into x to the power 4. So the factor of x to the power 4 will be 4 times x, so it will be x into x into x into x. Okay. Now divided by 56x. So 56 factor of 56 will be 2 to the 4, 2 into 16. Now factor of 56 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now we can write 56, so it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now this is x, so this one is x. Now the factors of these two terms are written here. Now this two cancel out. What terms will be cancel out? 2 and 2 will be cancel out. This 2 and this 2 cancel out. Now 7 and 7 will be cancel out. And x and x will be cancelled out. What is left? X into x into x. Divided by, in this denominator, only 2 is left. So this will be 2. Now x 3 times, so it will be x cubed divided by 2, and this is the answer. Okay? So it's very easy. Now next question, that is question number 2. Minus 36y cube divided by 9y square. So first of all we have to find the factor of 36. So it will be okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we can write at the place of 36 minus 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 divided by 9y square. So the factor of 9 will be 3 into 3. So this will be 3 into 3 into y square, that is y into y. What terms will cancel out here? 3 and 3 cancel out. 3 and 3 cancel out. What is that? Minus 2 into 2 divided by y into y. So this will be minus 4 upon y square. And this is the final answer. Okay. So this was the expression of question number 2. Now next question, question number 3. Carry out the now question number 3. 66p square r cube divided by 11q r square. Okay. First of all, we have to find the factor of this term. So the factor of 66 will be, find it here. So 2, 3 and 3. This will be 11. This will be 1. Now the factor of 66 will be 2 into 3 into 11. So this one we can write 2 into 3 into 11 into p square. That means p 2 times. Now q square, so 2 times, and r cube, so r is 3 times, divided by 11 qr square. So this is 11 into q into r square, that means r into r. Okay. Now this will be cancelled out. 11 and 11. Q and Q, R, R, and R. What is left? 2 into 3 into P into P into R and Q. So 2 into 3 into P into P into Q into R. Divided by, in denominator, nothing is left here. So we can write 1 here. So this will be 2 3 is 6. P into P, that is P square, and QR. Okay, 6P square QR. And this is the answer. Okay, it's very easy. First you have to write the factors and then it will be ultimately cancelled out. Now the next one, question number 4. Again same process. The factor of 34 will be, find it here. So start dividing by 2. So this will be 70 and it will be 2 into 70. Factor of x cube. So 3 times x. Factor of z y cube. So 3 times y. And factor of z cube 3 times z. It is divided by 51 x y square z cube. 51. So factor of 51 will be 70. 3 into 70. Okay. So this is 3 into 70. X y square z cube. So this will be x and y square, that is y into y, and z cube, that is 3 times z. Now what terms will cancel out? 2, there are no 2. 70 and 70 cancel out. X and x cancel out. Y and y cancel out. Again y and y cancel out. Z cancel out. Z cancel out. Z cancel out. What is left? 2 into x into x into y. Okay, so 2 into x into x into y. Divided by, in denominator, 1 into 3 is left. So this will be 3. Now it will be 2 x into x is x square, y divided by 3. And this is the answer. Okay. Now this is the complete explanation of question number 1. Now next, question number 2. Question number 2. Divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Okay. So we have to divide this polynomial by the monomial. So just write it. 5x square minus 6x, it is given here. Okay. So it will be 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. So it will be 3x. Now in denominator, what is common? 5x square and minus 6x. So x is common here. So just take common x. So what is that? 5x minus 6. It is divided by 3x. Now x and x cancel out. So it will be 5x minus 6 divided by 3. And this is the answer. Okay, it's very easy. Only we have to take common and it will be cancelled out. Now the next one, question number 2. Same process we have to do. This is polynomial and this is monomial. So write it 3y to the power 8 minus 4y to the power 6 divided by y to the power 4. It is given. So we have to take common. So in this term, numerator, what is common? 3, 4, 5. So numbers are not common. Now y to the power 8, y to the power 6, y to the power 4. So in this expression, y to the power 4 is common. So this is y to the power 4. What is left in first term? 3y to the power 8 is given. So y to the power 4 is common. So 4 is left. Similarly, minus 4 y to the power 6. So y to the power 4 is common. So y to the power 2 is left. Plus 5 y to the power 4 is common. So what is that? 5 is left. Divided by y to the power 4. Now y to the power 4 and y to the power 4, it will cancel out and there are multiplication sign. Okay, so it will be cancel out. So what is answer? Directly we can write the answer 3y to the power 4 minus 4y square plus 5. Now this is the answer. Okay. Now the next one. Question number 3. Work out the following divisions. First question. This is given 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So we can write 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So we have to take common. So 10x minus 25. What is common? 5 is common. Okay. So it will be 5 to the 10 and x minus 5 times 25 divided by 5. Now 5 and 5 will cancel out. So what is that? 2x minus 5. This will be the final answer. Okay. So it's very easy. Now second question, 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So we can write here 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. So again same process, 10x minus 25. What is common? 5 is common. So 5 is common. What is that? 5 to the 10 and x minus 5 to the 25 divided by 2x minus 5. Now 2x minus 5 and 2x minus 5. This is multiplication sign. So it will be cancelled out. What is that? 5 is left. This is the answer. It's very easy. Next question. Now the question is given 10y 6y plus 21 and 5 2y plus 7. Now we have to divide it. So we can write 10y 6y plus 2. It is divided by this term. So this is 5 2y plus 7. Now it is given here 6y plus 2 and it is 2y plus 7. That's it. If we take common in these two terms, then 2 will be common. So what is there? 3y plus 1. So 3y plus 1 and 2y plus 7. It will be not cancelled out. So in see here, this is 10y and 5. It will be cancelled out. So 5 2s are 10 and this is y. Okay. So we can write 2y 6y plus 7 divided by 2y plus 7. Okay. Now this is 21 here. So we can write 10y 6y plus 21. It is divided by this term. So it is 5 2y plus 7. Now see here, it's 6y plus 21. If we take common 3 here, what is that? 3 to the 6, 2y plus 3 7 21. 2y plus 7. So this is 2y plus 7. So it will be cancelled out. So just take common. So 10y and 6y plus 21. So 3 is common. Okay. So what is that? 3 to the 6. 2y plus 3 7 21. Okay. It is divided by 5 2y plus 7. Okay. Now 2y plus 7 2y plus 7. We cancel out. And 5 and 10, it will be cancelled out. 5 2 is 10. Now it will be 2 3 is 6 and y. Okay, so this is 6y. And this will be the answer. It's very easy. We have to only have to do take common and cancel out. Now next question number 4. It is given 9x square y square. So this is 9x square y square. 3z minus 24 divided by 27xy z minus 8. Okay, it is given here. It is the question. Now we solve it. So 9x square and y square. 3z minus 24, so 3 is common. What is left? Z minus 3 8 is 24. Now, in denominator, 27xy z minus 8. Okay, so it's clearly we can see here z minus 10 and z minus 10. It will be cancelled out, so this sentence is cancelled out. And other thing, that is x and that is x square. So x and 1x is cancelled. Now y, and this is y square, so 1y is cancelled. 9 and 27, so 9 3 is 27. So what is left? X into y into 3. So it will be 3xy divided by 3, only 3 is left, so this is 3. Now 3 and 3 cancel out, and xy is the answer. Okay, xy is the answer. Now question number 4. Divide as directed. The expression is given. This is first term and this is second term. We have to divide it. So write it. So 5 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5. It is divided by 2x plus 1. Okay. So see here. This is 2x plus 1 and this is 2x plus 1. And this is multiplication sign and multiplication sign. It will be cancelled out. So what is left? 5 3x plus 5. Okay, and this is the answer. Very easy. Now next one, question number 2. Okay, it is given. So now 26xy x plus y minus 4. Divided by, now y minus 4 and y minus 4. So you cancel out 13x and 26x. So x and x cancel out, and 13 to the 26. Now what is left? 2y x plus 5. And in denominator, no term is left. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now next one, question number 3. Question number 3. 52 PQR, and this first term and this second term. We have to divide it. So that is the 52 PQR. And this is P plus Q, and Q plus R, and R plus Q. Okay. This first term divided by second term, so it will be divided by 104 PQ, and this will be Q plus R, and this is R plus Q. Okay. So see here, what it will be considered 52 and 104. Okay, so 52 and 104, 52 and 104. 104 is the double of 52. So 52 2s are 104. Cancel out. Now P and P cancel out. Q and Q cancel out. Q plus R and Q plus R. It will be cancelled out. R plus P and R plus P. It will be cancelled out. Okay, so what is left? R, P plus Q divided by 2, only 2 is left. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, it's very easy. Now next question. Question number 5. Factorize the expressions and divide them as directed. Question number first. The expression is given in this first term, this second term. Now just write it. So it will be y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. So y square plus 7y plus 10. We have to factorize it. So how can we factorize? Middle term splitting. Okay, the method middle term splitting. So now the numerator is y square plus 7y plus 10. So y square plus 7y plus 10. We have to factorize it. So we have to find the factor of 10. So it will be 2 and 5. So on multiplication it will be 2 5 and 10, and on addition it will be 2 plus 5 7. Okay, so we have to write y square plus, at the place of 7 we can write 2 plus 5. So this is 2 plus 5 y plus 10. Now just open the bracket, so it will be y square plus 2y plus 5y plus 10. Now in first two term we have to take common, so y is common, y plus 2. Now in third and fourth term, I is common, so y plus 5 to the 10. Okay, now this is first term, this is second term. Y plus 2 is common, so this will be y plus 2, and what is left? Y is left, plus 5 is left. Okay, so this will be the answer. No, this is not the answer, this is the factor of this term. So y plus 2, y plus 5. So just write at the place of this expression, we have to write this. So this will be y plus 2 and y plus 5 divided by y plus 5. So this is y plus 5. Now y plus 5 and y plus 5. It will be cancelled out. So what is left? Y plus 2. And this is the answer. Okay, it's very easy. Now this is first expression, this is second term. Okay. Now this write it m square minus 14m minus 32. It is divided by m plus 2. So this is m plus 2. Now m square minus 14m minus 32. We have to factorize it. So here m square minus 14m minus 32. Now again we have to find the two numbers. On multiplication it will be 32. On addition and subtraction it will be 14. So 32, the factor of 32 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times 2. Okay, so we have to find 14 as addition and division. So here 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 2 to the 4. Okay, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 is the first number, and 2 to the 4, and 4 is the second number. Now 8 plus 4, that is 14. It is 12. So we can take 4 terms together. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So it will be 16, and this is 2. So 16 minus 2, that is 14, and 16 to the 32. So the numbers are 16 and 2. So we can write m square minus, at the place of 14, we can write 16 minus 2, m minus 32. Now just open the bracket, so it will be m square minus 16m plus 2m minus 32. Okay, in first two term we have to take common, so m is common, m minus 16 plus in third and fourth term 2 is common, so this will be m minus 16. Now m minus 16 is common, this first term, this second term, m minus 16 is common, so m is left plus 2 is left. Now this will be the factor of this term. So just write at the place of this, we can write the factors. So it will be m minus 16 and m plus 2. Now this is m plus 2. Now m plus 2 and m plus 2 it will be cancelled out. So what is left? M minus 16. and this will be the answer. Okay, students. Now question number 3. The expression is given. Now again we have to do same process. So this is first term, this is second term. So this will be 5p square minus we have to find the factor of numerator. So it will be now 5 into 20, that is 100. So we have to find the factor of 100. So it will be 50. Now this will be 25. This will be 5. And this will be 1. Okay. So again, on multiplication it will be 100. And on addition and subtraction it will be 25. Now 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 5 are 20. So this will be 20 and this is 5. 20 plus 5, that is 25, and 20 into 5, that is 100. So we can write at the place of 25, we can write 20 plus 5. So this will be 5p square minus 25, so it will be 20 plus 5. p plus 20. Now just open the bracket, so it will be 5p square minus 20p minus 5p plus 20. Now in first two term, what is common? 5p is common. So p is left here minus 5 4 are 20. 5p minus 4. Now in third and fourth term, minus 5 is common. So this is p and 5 4 are 20. So this is p minus 4. Now this is first term, this is second term. P minus 4 is common. 5p is there and minus 5 is there. So 5p minus 5. Okay. So this is the factor of this term. So we can write at the place of this, we can write these factors. So just write it. This is p minus 4. 5p minus 5. Divided by p minus 1. Okay. Now these are the complete explanation and this is the answer. Now it was complete explanation of exercise 14.3 and in next video we will discuss next exercise. Thank you so much, students. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.